This video is going to be wildly out of order, but it is a standalone episode. Great news. Some people are coming from Texas. They are super interested in the 63 Scotty with a potty. Excited because they're good people. The guy and his wife have a YouTube channel about traveling and camping, and they want to take it to the Scotty level, hopefully. But they're on their way. They're going to be here shortly. I say this is wildly out of order because it'll probably be another 8 or 9 episodes before you realize what that stuff is and why it's sitting there. But then, listen, it has been a flurry of activity. Lots of crazy stuff happening. And the further we get into the 62 Shasta Compact, the more you're going to see why and what's happening. This is going to be so many wildly out of order videos. Just time-wise. The 62 Shasta Compact is going to stay in order, but there's going to be videos like this one and the Scotsman that was put in a couple episodes ago that are at different time frames, but they're holding what you will soon to see is this up. But don't care about that. 63 Scotty with a potty. Hopefully we got a new home for it to some great people that will be able to watch it on the internet, on YouTube. So I'm going to turn the camera around, and this might be a weird situation because they have a YouTube channel. So they're going to be videoing me, videoing them. What are you going to do? I don't know. Let's find out.
Hey guys, hey Rob. We're pretty excited because we're here to look at a 63 Scotty with a potty. We are touring in trails, so all we like to do is camp. We do a lot of teardrop camping. We've got a couple of vintage campers at the house, but you know, they need a little work.
A little?
And Rob's got one here that's better than new. So we're gonna take a look at this thing, and if it's like anything that we've seen on his videos, we're in for a big surprise.
Well, yeah, you know, well, let's just start here. You sent me an email.
Yep.
How did you find out about us and what we do?
Well, I can actually thank Miss Dee Dee for that because she found your channel, maybe a year ago.
Yeah.
Where we've, she's like, look at these vintage campers that this guy makes, you know? And so we're looking at it like, that's pretty cool, you know, but, you know, thinking, man, they got to be a fortune, right? You know, it's going to be way out of my range. Next thing you know, Rob's putting a price on one. He said he never does that.
That's true, at the end of the video.
So I'm thinking, why don't we take ours up there and just let Rob rebuild ours? Okay.
And then he sent me a video of it from his channel, which made me go watch another video on his channel when he was in Oklahoma camping. But then when he sent me the video of his camper to rebuild, whew, there's a lot to do. A lot to do. And so I said, hey, just come up here and take a look around. Let's see what we can do.
Yeah.
Right? And so you found us on the internet. On YouTube, is that where it started?
Yes.
Okay, great. So you've seen a few videos?
Yeah.
Oh,
Okay.
we've seen a lot.
Quite a few.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yes.
All right. So we are past the building stage, so you don't get a cantankerous Rob because it's already built. You won't hear me complaining at all. So what we're going to do is I'm going to show them around, and you're going to see if you go over to Touring and Trails, and I'll put a link in the description as well. But you'll see a different video, some of the same stuff, but they have a different way they want to shoot their videos. So make sure you pop over there after you get done watching this. Don't leave. Don't leave.
No
So
way.
we're going to run out there. I'm going to show them around, and let's see if they like what they see.
Yep. Let's
Right?
do it.
All right, Jim and Dee Dee, here it is. Original front window, completely rebuilt. So that middle part does crank out.
Okay.
We've got a brand new jack. We've got new safety chains and your new 4-pin connector.
Nice.
Of course, all new skin and roof. This is your 30 amp service.
Beautiful.
Rebuilt potty window. Now, as you can hear, the AC is running.
Feel
Yeah,
hot air
just
coming out.
make sure nobody leans against it, you know, and pushes those in because we really have to move
Listen,
those.
Miss Dee Dee, stay off of that, all right? That's not where you lean.
That's not me. That'd be you.
The sheet metal is, the aluminum is, the creases are just perfect.
Yeah, that's the exact pattern from Max Aluminum, MACS. Now, I was able to say, which you generally can't, these one-of-a-kind lights.
I know what they cost when you gotta find them.
Oh,
It's
yeah,
a fortune.
yeah. And, which I hardly ever, I took 3 and made 1, and took 3 and made 1. So those are original, but they've got parts and pieces.
Okay.
And of course, original window and new gutter. Come around here, we've got a baggage door. And of course, on its 15-foot Scotty.
Did you have to make this?
That I did not make it, but it is from a different camper.
Oh, okay.
Because the one with this one wasn't good. So here's your city water in, your gray water out.
Okay.
And these, also up here is your electric.
Sweet.
So if you just want to do something,
That's awesome.
yeah.
Definitely use that.
All right, now these don't have a screen door, they just have a big window with a screen. All right, come on in. We've got the AC running.
Drop down after you go in. That's unique, sir.
It is.
Yeah.
It is. You've got that big drop down, so you can really stand up in here without a problem.
Yeah, you could actually stand up there. But
Yeah.
here,
Yeah,
I mean,
me.
for changing your clothes.
Hey.
You know, we come from teardrop camping,
Yes.
so we're like this all the time.
A lot of people say, you know what, I'm tired of laying down to change my clothes.
Yes, that's me. That's me.
So up front,
Wow.
again, our friend Crystal made us our upholstery, and
So nice.
that is our Scotty table.
Yes.
And again, the same kind of thing we did in the Aloha. We made that for the outside because it's a Humphrey you'll see up there.
And a nice metal cover on it.
Then a little pine cone right there and an outlet. Go ahead and pull that chain right there.
Look at that.
Yeah.
Oh,
That's
wow.
awesome. I love
I love that.
it. Yes.
Yeah.
And of course, here is the potty and Scotty in a potty.
Yes.
Check that out.
Scotty and the potty. Scotty with the potty. There we go. Scotty with the potty.
It's not bad.
Oh no, not for a 15-foot
That's
trailer.
gonna work.
Yeah, yeah. You know, it'll do its duty, no pun intended.
Yes.
So to match our black hardware here, we came over here with a black 2-door refrigerator,
Oh, wow.
retro style, brand new.
Freezer.
Yeah, yeah, keep the ice cream.
All right,
Yes.
all right.
Oh,
I can
yes.
do that.
Ice cream. We can bring ice cream now.
Trouble now.
Then as you stand in front of that, yeah, nice and cold. Yeah. And then I put this little light up here. It's another one that I made, and yeah, just a little clip on and clip off. Back here is a little shelf for whatever small things you want to put in with our little Scotty there. All crank out windows on this one. I'm going to go to the front and I'll let you go right here. Then for our kitchen, we've got the sink and the water faucet. And then right here, I rebuilt this as well.
Nice.
Plenty of storage
Oh, yeah.
right
Lots
there.
of storage.
Little shelf up there.
Another outlet,
Yeah,
so-
another outlet.
Oh, yeah.
Hot plate or whatever you put there.
Yeah.
Nice.
The air fryer. The...
Plenty of room for an air fryer. Absolutely.
Cabinets down here. Look at that.
Oh, wow. Yeah, lots of
this is
cabinets.
nice.
Tried to put as much storage as I could.
It always helps. That's,
Yeah.
This is a lot packed into 15 feet.
Absolutely. That's the trick.
Oh, yeah.
That is the trick.
Oh my gosh, you did a great job on this one.
I
Yes.
appreciate that.
Very nice.
Yeah, we camp a lot, so we're.
Yeah.
I mean, the first year that we bought our bushwhacker, if you got 52 weeks in a year, we were probably up 40 to 45. So
Wow.
we go a lot. Over
We do.
50,000 miles we've towed the Bushwhacker. It's not going anywhere, but we want another one to complement it.
Sure, sure.
You know, we talk about standing up to change clothes. That goes a long way when you've been cramped in a tier.
I understand.
Also, the little potty room's nice because you don't always have to either one go out and use the public facilities, but just think also when it's raining and it's ugly or freezing cold, you can use, you know, a cassette toilet and just be done with it.
Absolutely, absolutely. Especially in the middle of the night.
Yep.
You know, that's just, you know, you're obviously not my age, but at my age, you're up in the middle of the night. I can tell you what's happening at 11:30 any night of the week. Well, if one thing stands out to you, what is it?
The one thing that stands out is just the craftsmanship that you put into this.
Oh, wow.
When
Thank
I'm
you.
in here, you know, for one, you know, we've talked on the phone about Scotty's. You know, when they're new, they were kind of piecemeal together, right?
Yeah. Inexpensive is a kind way to say it.
A kind way to say it. And
Yes.
when I go in here, I'm not feeling that. You know, it's got good materials. You do a great job with the cabinets, the dinette. I mean, everything's hand built in here.
Yes,
So,
absolutely.
you know, that's the nice thing is that I've got a beautiful camper that I can take home and that I can instantly use today. And then I also have a rebuilder at the house that, you know, I can take cues from this and
Yeah.
rebuild it. Or
Take your time, do what you want with yours.
like to do, but this is really nice.
I'm going to take that as a positive for me to turn this off, and we're going to go talk about horse trading here.